Hey, this is Justin from the Pumpkin King.
Hi, this is Tyler, the Pumpkin Prince.
We're gonna be doing a chemistry composition of the soil, the most important thing. And I was not doing this the last 2 seasons, because this summer, in May, when I plant, this is gonna be the real deal. It's all about the soil. We're doing 4 soil samples, one 18 inches deep, another one 6 inches deep. We're gonna go 3.5 feet deep, because it's like a harder clay-like soil. So we gotta figure out the drainage and the composition of that. And then we're gonna go 18 inches deep also, but on the other side. Tyler, how's the digging going?
Good.
Now we have a soil sample, 18 inches deep.